Follow the steps on how to easily remove the background in Photoshop. Let's start by clicking File and Open to insert an image. Here we need the Layers panel. Go to Select and click Subject. Wait for loading. Then click this icon. If it's still like this, use the Quick Selection tool. Set the size a little bigger. Click until Auto Select looks like this. Use a smaller size to select narrow parts. Press Delete. Then right-click and deselect. Now you can save it with Quick Export as PNG. And this is the result. Now you can paste this image into your design without being distracted by the background. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.